Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best information blocker stamp is probably one of the most useful tools for protecting your personal information in today's digital age, allowing you to quickly and easily obliterate sensitive data from unwanted access, ensuring your privacy and security are maintained with a simple and effective solution that saves you time and effort, making it an essential tool for anyone concerned about identity theft or data breaches, whether you're shredding documents, protecting your mail, or simply safeguarding your personal information from prying eyes. Number 5. Miseyo Wide Roller Stamp. It's a great alternative to shredding. You can recycle the paper after using it, saving you time and effort. With its 1.5-inch width, it quickly covers large areas of sensitive information. It's perfect for various documents. Easily and effectively hide private information like addresses, social security numbers, and more. It helps prevent identity theft. It comes with refillable ink, so you don't need to replace it. You can keep using it to protect your information. No more tedious shredding or messy scribbling. It's the simple, quick solution to protect your private information. It's suitable for various documents, including contracts, bank statements, and shipping labels. Keep your sensitive information safe and secure. What we like. It's a great alternative to shredding, allowing you to recycle paper afterwards. Its wide coverage lets you quickly obliterate sensitive information. If you value eco-friendliness and efficiency, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The previous ones I bought needed multiple rolls to cover my personal information, but this one works perfectly and covers my address with a single swipe. It's nice and wide and covers back and front. Completely obliterates whatever sensitive information it's rolled over. Number 4. Miseyo Roller Stamp. It's a great alternative to shredding. You can recycle the paper after using it, saving you time and effort. It's perfectly sized to cover large areas of private information quickly and efficiently. Its 1.5-inch width makes quick work of sensitive documents. Easily hides sensitive information like addresses, social security numbers, and credit card details. It helps prevent identity theft and protects your privacy. It comes with 6 refills and can be easily refilled. You don't need to replace it, saving you money in the long run. No more tedious shredding or messy scribbling. It's a simple and effective way to protect your private information quickly and easily. What we like. This one is also a fantastic alternative to shredding, enabling paper recycling. The wide coverage ensures swift and thorough protection of your private data. If you need a reliable and eco-conscious solution, this is for you. What people say. The previous ones I bought needed multiple rolls to cover my personal information, but this one works perfectly and covers my address with a single swipe. It's nice and wide and covers back and front. Completely obliterates whatever sensitive information it's rolled over. Number 3. Miseyo Wide Roller Stamp. Say hello to a simple solution for protecting your private information. It's the perfect tool for quickly and easily obscuring sensitive data on any document. This isn't your average stamp. Its thick, continuous design and confidential lettering ensures complete coverage and peace of mind. It's a more eco-friendly choice than shredding. You can recycle your documents after using it, saving you time and resources. With its 1.5-inch width, it covers large areas in seconds. It's perfect for quickly redacting sensitive information on envelopes, packages, and more. It's designed for efficiency. The ink dries quickly, and one swipe is all it takes to protect your information. No more tedious shredding. It's built to last. You can easily refill the ink when needed, providing up to 100 meters of coverage. It's your new go-to tool for protecting your sensitive information. It's easy to use, efficient, and environmentally friendly. What we like. This product boasts a new, upgraded design for superior privacy protection. Its wide roller covers large areas quickly and efficiently. If you're looking for the most secure and effective way to protect your information, choose this one. Number 2. ExcelMark Rolling Stamp. Worried about identity theft? This innovative stamp is your solution for quickly and easily protecting your sensitive information. It's the perfect way to safeguard your privacy. Its 1.5-inch roller covers large areas in seconds, saving you valuable time. The adjustable length lets you tackle any document with ease. Say goodbye to tedious shredding. This stamp is much faster, and the ink dries quickly, so you can move on to other tasks. It's pre-inked and ready to go. Simply open the cover and start swiping. It's that simple and safe to use. With a coverage of up to 100 meters, it's a long-lasting solution. And when it's time, refilling the ink is easy and convenient. Keep your personal information safe and secure with this simple yet effective tool. It's the smart way to protect yourself from identity theft. What we like. This stamp offers wide coverage and fast-drying ink, making it incredibly efficient. It's pre-inked and easy to use, saving you valuable time. If you prioritize speed and convenience, this is the ideal option for you. What people say. This product works, it provides full coverage, and I feel secure using it to keep my private information private. Works great and easy to use. To combat identity theft, I shred everything. But sometimes, it's just easier to use this gadget to roll over any information and just toss the envelope. This, however, is great for things you can't shred or don't want to shred. It's great to roll over your information on your prescription bottles, on a package where you need to remove the UPC code before you return an item, or things like that. I found myself using it far more than I imagined. I have this at my desk to delete addresses and sensitive information before adding to recycling. A refill can be purchased when ink supply runs out. It is a very useful item to have to protect ID. Number 1. LioNergy Identity Protection Roller Stamp. It features a confidential letter design, making your personal information illegible. This is perfect for covering sensitive documents like bills and bank statements. With its 1.5-inch roller, it covers large areas quickly. One stroke is all you need to protect your private information. The roller is smooth, and the ink dries quickly while remaining dark enough to completely obscure information, even from the back of the paper. Quickly stamp over personal information you want to protect. It's a faster alternative to shredding documents. When the ink runs out, it can be easily refilled. This ensures long-lasting protection and value. What we like. This stamp provides superior privacy protection with its wide coverage and fast-drying, dark ink. It's a quick and efficient alternative to shredding. If you need a reliable and fast solution for protecting your sensitive information, this is the one for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.